In this video, I want to talk about one of the biggest mistakes people make when they want to sell their house quickly. My name's Dustin with 6daycashbuyers.com. We buy houses within 6 days or less in any condition, anywhere. So let's talk about if, say, you're maybe in a tough situation like foreclosure where the bank wants to sell your property, or maybe you're behind on your taxes and the government wants to sell your property for the taxes owed. Just the other day, we had an instance where a customer had called us and they wanted to sell their house. And this was on a Wednesday, and we were scheduled to go look at the property on a Thursday. And the person called and said, "Oh, sorry, I can't sell the house anymore. It was just sold this morning at the foreclosure auction." And obviously that sucks, because if it gets sold at foreclosure auction, your credit's ruined, you can't borrow money again. It's a bad deal. And what happened in this situation, and what I see happen a lot, is people wait till the last minute. You know, we're creatures of habit, and I'm not perfect. I leave things to the last minute way too much. But when it comes to your house and your financial security, do not leave this to the last minute. So if you're in any type of debt or things like that, when you've pushed it too long and you've been hoping for a white knight to come in and that's not happening, it's crunch time. So if you don't think you're going to be able to get the money to catch up your taxes or for your mortgage, make sure to call somebody or get that property sold, because would hate to see you lose out on equity you built hard, or you worked hard to build in that house, and have your credit ruined. So, you know, it's the old adage, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. So that's kind of my tip for you in this video, is if you are in foreclosure or you're behind on your taxes, now is the time to start looking for solutions. Make a list maybe of 5 things you need to do that you can take some action against for maybe getting the money to catch up. Give yourself a couple days, and if that doesn't happen, go ahead and it's time to sell that property so you can get ahead of that and not lose everything if it goes to tax foreclosure or foreclosure sale. Now you can always call us at 6 Day Cash Buyers. We can buy your house within 6 days or less if that's needed. We save properties and people from going through foreclosure all the time because we're able to buy quick. We have relationships with the title companies, and we have cash to buy your house as is, where is, saving you the realtor fees, saving you the closing costs, saving you the headaches. We can help you get out of the house and help you get on your way to making a fresh start with the cash that could be left over in your property that you would lose if you let that thing go to sale. So give us a call. We can buy your house quickly. Tune in every week for fresh tips on getting the most value out of your house and how to sell it quick. Thanks for watching.